Hello everyone, Morel. I'm here with KB Digital. It is a beautiful day in northern Illinois, so I figured why not do a photo walk? You know, go on a little adventure, enjoy the fresh air, get some amazing shots. I was up here actually last week at the same location and I saw a bald eagle. So I'm hoping I see it again. I got three lenses with me. I have a 270 Tamron, I have the 70 to 200 Canon, and I have my fisheye lens just for fun, so we'll see what we get. Just a couple of planes, that's it. Now I did see a pretty big bird far over there, like right there. It could be the bald eagle, looked like it, but it was, like I said, pretty far away, so I couldn't really tell. So I'm hoping he gets a little closer to me. Alright, I think I see him. You guys can see that. He's gonna be tiny on the screen. But yeah, he looks pretty big from down here. Let's see if he gets any closer. Alright, so all I have so far is just a couple people canoeing down the river, which I might be able to sell as stock photography. We'll see. The eagle, or maybe it was a hawk, never came any closer, so that was a no-go. So not much luck at this place. Might have to go look for another spot. Alright, so I am officially abandoning my first spot. Just no luck, and usually that's a good spot. So I'm gonna go check out a few more parks and places that I know of. If nothing, I mean, you can always do, you know, macro photography or something fun. So we'll see. Alright, so I made it to my second location. It's a beautiful spot. I mean, there's always great portrait ideas here, but also landscape photography, which is usually why I come here. There's an old watermill behind me. It's just amazing, especially in the fall time. It looks amazing. But we are in springtime right now, so it's beautiful, sunny. Look at those clouds. I think I just saw a hawk or an eagle actually right before I started recording, so I might even get some of that. I'll do some landscape just to get some fun pictures out, and then maybe even some macro photography. We'll see. Not sure if you guys will be able to see, there's two turtles just out there sunbathing on a stick. And the fish are right there. So I'm trying to get you guys a closer look at those turtles, but it's just impossible. Yeah. Alright, so behind me is this amazing little bridge that leads to the watermill, and it just looks so real, vintage, and authentic, and if you properly compose your shot, it's gonna be an awesome picture. So I kid you not, I'm walking past this and I just hear like 5-6 splashes. I scared off the turtles. There's 4 of them right there on the branch. Amazing. Alright, I got a good one for you guys. He's been still for like 10 minutes. I thought he was dead. Or she. But he just moved. That's huge. Now, there's the turtle I just showed you guys right there behind my shoulder. But I think I see an even bigger one. It looks like a huge rock, or maybe the back of a turtle. But I mean, it's huge. Here, let me show you guys. Right there. What do you think? Turtle or rock? So yeah, that's definitely a turtle. The sad part is there's people who just pollute. Look at that. That's a sandal or a shoe right next to it. That pisses me off. Alright, so this is officially the biggest turtle I've ever seen in person. Look at that thing. It's huge. And I saw, you know, the earlier ones. Then I saw a bigger one, and the bigger one, this is the fourth one, and this is the biggest. It's like they keep getting bigger and bigger. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm finally deciding to swap lenses because that turtle is blowing my mind right now. So I'm gonna do my little fisheye 6.5 just to kind of give it emphasis. It's very windy out here, so bear with me. I do not want to get any dust into onto my sensor, I should say. There we go. We're done with that. And we're gonna use this baby. Look at that. Woo! Should be fun. Alright, so I had to bust out the 70-200 because that turtle is amazing. And I just got the fisheye lens off. I'm gonna try to get some close-ups of its eye. It's finally opening its eyes. It's alive. I thought it was dead. It's alive. So let's see what it does. Alright, so I think it's time for me to go home. I've spent way too much time out here, especially with the turtle, but I think it's been an amazing day. I didn't get as many shots as I wanted and not the quality or the content, I should say, but it was a fun day. It really was. This turtle blew my mind, and let's see what these pictures come out as. So I think I left just on time because it got real cloudy real fast. Look at that. They did say it was going to thunderstorm tonight.